Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So how you gonna fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close that page, and here what you have to do is next. So the first method to fix that error, which is common for all, is you have to simply change your password, which means you have to simply go to password and security and simply change your Apple ID password. And if it is working properly, which means if you have changed your password, then it will be fixed by the simply changing the password. If the problem is still there and again occurring, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, open your Apple ID, and you have to simply click on sign out, and you have to sign out your Apple ID, and you have to turn off your device for 30 seconds, and after that you have to turn on your device again, and you have to check whether your problem has solved or not. And after signing out, you have to check, the next thing is you have to check whether your card has expired or not, which means the payment method you have connected to your Apple ID and you have connected the card, then it is working properly or not, which means it is expired or not. If it is expired, then what you have to do is you have to simply click on, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on media and purchases in Apple ID, and after that you have to click on view account, and after clicking on view account you have to check simply manage your payment method, and here you have to check your payment history. And after signing your Apple ID, you have to simply check your Apple ID payment history, and you have to check whether you have provided the correct payment method or not. And after that, what you have to do is next you have to simply change your country or region from your media and purchases. And the simple method for the changing country or region, you can find many videos related to changing country or region. And after doing all the things, you have to simply check whether your problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can mention us in here comment so that we can solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.